Good morning children. Hope all are you fine. Today I am going to teach you 4th class maths. We completed block 1 successfully children. Today I am going to teach you block 2, that is adding 4 digits and 4 digits. In that our S1 is a reviewing addition. Children already know in 3rd class how to add the numbers 2 digits and 2 digits, 3 digits and 3 digits. Okay, once again we'll revise the sums. Today addition sums. Today first I'm going to explain you combination of two numbers that add up to 100,000 and 100 and tens. Okay, first I'll explain you combination of 1000. Which are that combination of thousands? First 100 plus 900 equal to 1000. Okay, 200 plus 800, 1000. 300 plus 700, 1000. 400 plus 600, 1000. 500 plus 500, 1000. These are combination of 1000. Okay, these two are called combinations of 1000. 300 plus 700, 1000. Like this, I'll take now tens that add up to 100. That is, first 10 plus 90 equal to 100. 20 plus 80 equal to 100. 30 plus 70 equal to 100. 40 plus 60 is equal to 100. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. Now I'll take single digits number that add up to 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. We can do this mentally children. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So how many did you find children combination of two numbers? Here in thousands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that in tens also 5 and in ones also 5 numbers. Children, now I'll start with some examples. That is 2 digits and 2 digits. First example is 98 plus 76. First we'll write the places here, ones, tens. See 98. In this 8 is ones place. So we'll write in ones place. 9 is in tens place. 9. And in 6 is in here. 6 is in ones place. And 7 is in tens place. Now add children. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 7 is 17. So 174 is the answer. Here see children, this is 326 plus 23. First number is having 3 digits. Second number is having 2 digits. So first number will arrange in the places. 6 is in which place? Ones place. 2 is in tens place. 3 is in hundreds place. Now here 23 is there. Now 3 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. 4. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here no number children. So direct you write here 3. If you confuse, you can write here 0. If you not having any number, you can write here 0 also. Now here 936, 497. In first number 6 is in ones place. 3 is in tens place. 9 is in hundreds place. And in second number 7 is in ones place. 9 is in tens place. 4 is in hundreds place. Now add these children. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 carry. Now 3 plus 4 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 carry. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Children, here we added 2 digits and 2 digits. And in 3 digits and 2 digits. Here 3 digits and 3 digits. See here which children here. See, in a third sum, it is difficult to add with regrouping of the numbers. Okay. Here we learned first examples I showed no children, that is we did in expanded method. This we did in a column method. We can do any method in the addition. Children, one more example I'll give, that is story problem. Here Nidhi has 16 notebooks, Neha has 32 notebooks. How many notebooks they have all together? See how we'll write these children? Number of solution answer. First we'll write the solution. How we'll write the solution? Number of notebooks Nidhi has. How many? 16. Same like this you write number of notebooks Neha has is equal to 32. Now add children this. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 3 is 1 plus 3 is 4. Total how many books they have together children? 48 notebooks. Therefore 48 notebooks both have 48 notebooks both have all together. Okay. Children, now you take out your workbook, page number 13. See first here, write date children here. Okay, in this first bit, B1 I'll explain you. First one is example sum. B1 is 341 plus 89. So how will write this? First you write the places here, ones, tens, hundreds. Here in first number 341, no, 1 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. Next here only 2 digits are there. So 9 is in which place here? Ones place. So write here 9 in ones place, 9, and tens place 8. Now add children. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 carry. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 430 is the answer. Like that, B and C and D you do children. That simple questions are there. Addition you do it in C and D children. Now second and third sum I'll explain you. See now second question children. Ame has 167 balloons. 129 of them are red and 17 are green. The rest of the balloons are blue. How many blue balloons does Ame have? So how will do the children in this? First add this red balloons and green balloons. Then you will get the answer. No. In that answer you have to subtract in total balloons. Now you do like this children. Number of red balloons 129. Number of green balloons 17. Add these two. Then what you got total red and green balloons? That is 146. So this 46. But Ame has total how many balloons children? Total balloons are 167. In 167 you subtract 146. You will get the blue balloons. Okay. You subtract 7 minus 6 is total balloons are 167. Red and green balloons are 146. Already we did here that you subtract this 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then total how many blue balloons Amma has? Therefore, Amma has 21 blue balloons. Next question you see in the workbook, children. Samir adds 589 plus 234 like this. They gave table in the workbook. Then explain Samir's steps. How he did the sum, children? So here Samir is did the different way, children. This is the one more different method to add the sum. So first what he did, children, here first he added hundreds place, that is hundreds place, that is 500, ones, tens, 100. These are places. So hundreds place which numbers are there? 500 and 200. So first he added hundreds place. 500 plus 200 is equal to 700. Next he added 80 plus 30. Okay, 80 plus 30 is 110. Then he added ones place. See, 9 and 4 is there in the ones place. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So he added all numbers. He got 823 to get the answer. This is another one more method to add the addition. Okay, children. Hope all of you understood. Now complete the workbook, children. I am representing here workbook sums. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in next class.